More often than not, we have clean pillowcases, clean bed sheets, and fresh blankets. But what we can't see with the naked eye is the lurking bacteria sleeping with me, my wife, and my son.
We never know who sleeps with us.
Catching colds or any viral infection while taking a rest with thousands of germs is definitely not a good night, nor a sweet dream. It's like we're lying on a trash bin.
At times like these, you should grab your coolest anti-germ and antivirus buddies. Introducing Rockubot, the world's best bacteria-killing robot.
It's equipped with 24 sensors and 2 modes that eliminate 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mites through its ultraviolet light and ultrasonic components. Equipped with its smart mapping and navigational intelligence, you can use it throughout its automatic walking mode. Simply put it on the top of your bed, flat and smooth or a little bulgy and messy, Rockubot can still do the work. No need to worry, because it comes with its own smart sensors that can detect clips, slopes, and any other obstacles preventing it from falling off. Also, sensors that can detect walls and any other obstacles preventing it from crashing. Smart sensors can also control the roll once someone picks it up. Switch Rockubot to its handheld mode. To sanitize and disinfect any surface, place the handle cover on the Rockubot and pick it up to clean with ease. And,
yes, even with your toys.
Also, what we have here is way cooler than you think. It is also designed with its high-quality tweeter that enables us to play music while it's doing its job. Because of its pocket size, it's very convenient. No sweat and you're ready to go. When it's off duty as a disinfectant robot, you can rely on it as a power bank, plug in your cable, or charge your phone wirelessly. And no matter how cozy our hotel room can get, we can never be sure of a germ-free holiday. But as long as we have this pocket-sized buddy, no germs, bacteria, or viruses can steal our moment. Let Rockubot rock your world. Rockubot, the world's best bacteria-killing robot for all of your cleaning needs.